Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again in this video guys. If you are new here, hi, my name is Neseki, and on this channel guys, it's all about nursing, homemaking and lifestyle. So guys, we are back in Harare. We are now home, and I just want to thank God for being with us through and through. We traveled so well guys, so safely, and we are back home safe and sound. And although guys my voice is not sounding very well, it's not, my voice is not sounding very good guys, maybe because of traveling, but we are all fine guys. Otherwise, how are you doing guys? How is the going? So guys, I just want to take things slowly, because I have ventured into this slow living era guys. This is my slow living era, and I like this kind of life guys, where I am doing my things so slowly, focusing on myself, just taking time to do my things, and yeah, just living my life guys, out of this competition. I just don't want to rush things, just taking it easy, taking just some baby steps towards my dream of slow living guys. And I just don't want to put pressure on myself, you know. Yeah, I cannot say a stress-free life, because you cannot do away with such things. Here and there you might come across some stressful situations, but I'm trying by all means guys to live this kind of life that is just simple life guys. I don't know whether I'm bringing it up so well, but this is how it is, guys. This is how I am trying to live my life. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to come here and introduce this vlog to you guys, and to let you know that we arrived home safely and we are okay. And yeah, it's just that I'm going to work, guys. There's no rest anyway. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, maybe tomorrow morning or Saturday, I don't know.
Take it a day at a time. Can't rush what nature must do.
Good morning guys, welcome to another day in a vlog guys. It's a Saturday today, and I just want to do the thorough cleaning today guys. I'm not going to work, and I just want to dedicate this day for that. So guys, I have bought some cleaning detergents from the local tuck shop guys. I just want to do the thorough cleaning using these detergents. And so I've bought this Domestos guys. It's a toilet cleaner, it kills all the germs, that guys. It's actually a multi-purpose. Then I also have this boom. It's a 3-in-1 guys. It's aloe vera and lemon. It also comes with this sponge guys for scrubbing the plates and pots. I like this boom dishwashing solution guys, because it's so thick, it lasts longer, and it smells so good and fresh guys. I also bought the Handy Andy cleaning boost. I love Handy Andy guys when it comes to stainless pots and stainless plates. It cleans the pots so well guys. If you use a sponge to scrub the pots, they will come out sparkling guys. If you have those stainless pots, guys, just go for the handy Andy. Then I also bought jig, guys, 99% antiseptic solution for the viruses and bacteria. It's an antibacterial, antiviral cleaning solution. Then I also have this one is about to finish. I'm going to use it to clean the top parts of the counters of the kitchen cabinets. It scrubs the kitchen cabinets so well, guys. My kitchen cupboards, guys, are very old, but after using this they will be sparkling and looking so clean. Yeah, these are the detergents that I have, guys. These and I'm going to use those to clean my house. I also want to clean the couch, guys. It's a bit dirty, and I'll clean the carpet maybe later. Yeah, that's what I have, guys.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the
So, guys, I'm done cleaning. I've changed the order in my lounge. So this is the new setup, guys. Nothing changed. There's nothing new, no new things, but the setup, guys. So how is the setup, guys? Just have a look. How is the new setup, guys? Let's help each other. My room, my lounge space, guys, is very small. It is very small, and the type of couch that I have, guys, is this biggest L-shaped couch, and it takes up a lot of space, guys. That's my ring light there. I've removed it from the stand, guys, and put it there. Kungoroera shpikiri then. That's the ideal position, guys, because our inverter is just by the curtain there, behind the curtain. So I'll simply plug it to the inverter, and then the whole room will be lit, guys. If I am vlogging in this space, that's why I have kept it there. So, guys, what do you think? I've put a flower. That one is a flower. I'll get. I think I'll get another flower. I want to put some fresh flowers there. I'll get another one. That one is very small, but it's thriving, guys. Anyway, this is the new space, guys. This is our new space. Then I think I need a less curtain, guys. I need a less curtain for my curtain. And then our TV stand there. I want to change that TV stand, guys. And I need an ideal color that suits my couch. Don't worry about my carpet. It's dirty. It's dirty at the moment. I think I need to clean it. There are some spots over there. and I'll clean it later, but I just wanted to show you the new setup, guys. So I was saying my TV stand is black. I remember when I bought that TV stand, I had black couch, guys. I had black couch, so it was blending very well with that couch. But when I disposed those couch, the black couch, guys, and bought this one, I just feel it's no longer nonsense. I just feel it's no longer blending very well. It's giving this dark room, like that room is full of dark. Everything is dark in this room. So I want to change that one, that black TV stand, and buy the maybe change it or paint it. So I want the color, guys, that will go along with this couch. Help me, guys, may you please help me. What color can I use on my on that TV stand, guys? Either painting it or changing it to a modern one. But the color, which color do I take, guys, that will go along with this couch? Help a fellow sister. You know, the decor thing is not in me, guys, but I just want to learn. I just want to learn, guys, from you. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's what we have in this room. That's all we have in this room, guys. So help me, help me.
You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying.